Welcome to Jing TV. So this episode, we're talking about the hands in Tai Chi, particularly the hands in the commencing form of Yang-style Tai Chi. So beginner Tai Chi students, like first, second day, will typically do something like, or they will do, which isn't really accurate for Tai Chi. So what I want you to do is remember the opening movement came from a Peng, a ward off, which is an expansion of the body and a pressing outward. So here, press outward on your lift. Raise from the wrist, outward and upward. And then when you press down Tai Chi fashion, one joint at a time. Push your shoulders down, push your elbows down, push your wrists down. All fluidly, smoothly. And push out and away from your body, not in towards your body. So pushing out and away. You can and should also synchronize this with your breathing. You'll breathe in on the lift, breathe out on the push, and synchronize this with the rising and lowering of your body. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, go down. And keep your mouth closed when you do this. Thank you for watching.